Hello and welcome to another episode of Squirtified Engineering. I'm Sprutis, and if you're new to the channel then please consider subscribing so you can stay up to date with all my different projects. In today's episode we will be continuing with painting. So hopefully we can do two paints, two colors. This circuit gray one and the black one that I have. So behind me we have 4 pieces. We have 3 on the floor, and then 4 more, and then some on the shelf. So we have many pieces to paint. I don't think I will manage to paint all of them, but hopefully some of them. So let's get to cleaning, mixing paint and painting. Here we have the 3 out of 4 spindle hubs that I want to paint today, but they require some cleaning. Perhaps I should remove the bearings first. Yeah, I will do a bit of cleaning so I don't get dirt stuck between the hub surface and the bearing surface, and then press them out. Yeah, let's do that. Okay, so I used some brake cleaner to clean most of the areas out. Then we will use the inner part of the wheel bearing. We'll put it in like that. So we will push on this and we will support it, I think, by having something across here and across here. That should be fine. The bearings are out and we are left with a ring of grease on the inside that I need to remove, and then clean them off and then paint them. The bearings, I don't think we can do much about them, but anyway, I have new ones and it would be stupid to not install new bearings when I'm taking these apart in this extent. So here we have the spindle hubs basically ready for paint. I will do a quick wipe down before I actually start to paint them. But in order to paint these, we first need to paint these, which have gotten one coat on one side. So basically I will paint all the areas that won't be touched when I flipped it over, and then I will hang it somewhere to dry, and then I will also take these surfaces, for example, that will be touching the table, and the same goes for the front brake shields. So now I will be mixing some paint. So here we have the brake shields, and they are pretty much done. I suspect I will need to do some sort of touch-up, but at least for today they are finished. So now we can get started with the main attraction, these three spindle hubs, and I suspect that I need more paint, but I will wipe these down with thinner and then start to paint. So the spindle hubs or uprights are now gray, and per usual I mixed too much paint, so the drive shafts also got gray. So yeah, at least I didn't waste any paint by doing this. Not really the color that I wanted on these, but I think it will be fine. It looks quite good actually, but I will need to remove the boots, clean them, and do a bit of touch up. But yeah, at least I didn't waste any paint. So that's it for this episode. It's quite late, 10 to 11. I need to have my dinner. But yeah, so we have 3, 5, 9 pieces are painted. And hopefully they only require a small amount of touch-up. Yeah, I'm happy with that. I think it looks great actually. So hopefully you think so as well. And if you do, then please give it a thumbs up. So, you know the drill. Please subscribe and like and share and all that stuff. And be safe. Take care.
Bye!